I am declaring May 2025 as the bottom of the market for multifamily sales in terms of number of sales and sales volume. So if you look here compared to, so this chart here is each month for the last 10 years of sales. If you look at 2024 January, obviously it had almost 3 times the sales that we had. And then in February, we sort of evened up. In March, we were up a little bit. In April, we were up a little bit. In May, we were down, but not by much. But then look at June. June, we've got over 3 times the volume that went up. And then you've got July, 11 times the volume compared to last year. Then you've got a 50 or 60% jump here for August. And then September, you're up another 5.5 times. So that's point number one. I think May is the bottom. Also, these 4 months, I think June is sort of the start of the upswing to the market. And now we have 4 months in a row. When you compare these 4 months in 2025 to the same 4 months last year, that's a jump on average of 4.3 times the volume as last year. Year to date, if we combine all of these months to year to date of 2024, we're still up 76% in sales volume over last year. That's a big deal. September sales of $256 million. If you look historically, across the last 10 years, it is the third highest September in the last 10 years. Okay, so really good positive information. I'm still doing some number crunching. If you have any other questions or if you have any other stats you want me to run or that you're looking for, no matter the size, whether it's under 100 units or over 100 units, student housing, market rate, whatever it is, just let me know. I track all this stuff and I'll be in touch on the next one. See ya.